Hi, this is Zoe. Welcome to my channel.
Today I will introduce you how to customize rolling trays. Rolling trays are widely used in various industries for efficient storage in place of goods. They are typically made from materials such as biodegradable materials, plastic, or metal, each with its unique benefits. Biodegradable trays are lightweight and better for the environment. Plastic trays are durable, cost-effective, and resistant to chemicals. Metal trays are sturdy, long-lasting, and ideal for moist foods. Trays can be customized to meet specific requirements. Customers can choose the size, shape, and design based on their needs.